Hello and welcome back to Katie's Business Tips. In this video, we're talking about building a business team that wins. And the first tip is to create, embrace, and enforce a code of honor. What is a code of honor? It's your list of values for your company to create the environment that you want. For example, it might say, have a great attitude at all times and all circumstances. I mean, maybe that's one of your values. And if that's your value and that's the environment you want to create in your company, have that code of honor. Create it, embrace it right from the beginning before you even hire anybody, and enforce it when you have people. Remember this, that who you surround yourself with will determine your success. Now that works on the outside of business, but it works just as much or more inside the business as well, is that if you surround yourself in your business with great employees, subcontractors, strategic alliances, it will contribute towards your success. Whereas if you have negative people, bad people, people that will tear you down, it will go the opposite way. You need to remember to teach others how to be great. One of the things we got to get out of our mind to build a great business team is that, as a leader, you need to be more of a servant leader. A leader who leads by example is not just telling them what to do. That's not leadership, right? True leadership is serving and teaching others and showing them so they can be great, raising them up on the pedestal, getting them up to be great, because if they're great, your company and your business is going to be great. You need to build trust with your people, so you gain trust, of course, over time, and that will help your leadership. And you need to look for loyalty. Reward the loyalty in your team, and you'll help build that team to a successful team because they will see that reward and others will see that reward as well. You need to also cultivate your atmosphere. So we talked about, the code of honor. That's kind of the basis. But how do you build on that? Team functions, team events, team meetings, team lunches, whatever it takes to build that culture and weave everything into that culture that you're looking for so that everybody starts biting into that culture and starts buying into it, and everybody believes in the culture and moves forward towards that vision together. And the last tip is always, always, always work on communication. And when we say communication, that's two ways. Both the person delivering the message you need to work on, and the person receiving the message. You need to work both sides, whether that's written or verbal. You need to work on both sides of the communication and always constantly looking to improve your communication within your team. And that will help you build a team for your business that wins. Thanks. Post in the comments below and hope to see you in the next video.